Hello and welcome back to the channel. This method that I'll be showing you today can help you make $562 every day. Furthermore, even if you are a total newbie with no prior abilities or expertise, you can still perform this method successfully. It is possible for you to use this method and earn money whether you are at home or away from home, on vacation, or simply out and about. This can be accomplished through the use of your mobile phone or a computer. Actual examples and instructions on how to implement this method will be provided so that you can see that this method is legitimate. Now sit back, relax, grab a beverage, and make sure to pay close attention to the video. Make sure that you do not miss any key aspects about how this method works. This method that I'll be showing you does not need any technical skills or experience. Even beginners can do this method and be successful. You do not need a large social media following or any of that. No monthly subscriptions or weekly payments. It is all 100% free. You do not need to let money out of your pockets. And lastly, this method is available worldwide. Anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. All you need is a laptop or mobile phone to get started. But before we start, let me just tell you that this method is not a get rich quick scheme. It will not and cannot replace your day job. However, this method can help you earn extra income from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day to day expenses. All you need is a little bit of time and effort, and it will be all worth it. Now that's out of the way, sit back, relax, pay close attention, and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we'll be using today is called useproof.com. Proof is a software that boosts your website conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. We believe customer-obsessed marketing is the best kind of marketing. Proof makes it easy. Make your website delightfully human. This software is trusted by the world's fastest growing companies including Oprah and Deepak, AppQs, Digital Marketer, Bench, Client Boost, and Founder. Over 25,000 online businesses use Proof to convert visitors into leads and sales. If you look at the reviews for this product, you can see that almost all users who have used this software rated it 5 stars for how good this software is in growing their businesses. If you want to learn more information about the product or the website, you can just scroll down on this page and click this button right here. As you can see, this is a tried and true software that helps thousands of people with their online businesses today. This is a perfect opportunity for you to become an affiliate on this website and share this product to other people who do not know this yet. Now, if you look at the pricing, which can be found on this part of the website, we click here, we can see the prices of the product depending on how many monthly visitors you would want on your website. As more monthly visitors are requested by a customer, the more money is needed to pay. If you are an affiliate and the person you referred to bought this product, you get 30% of the price of the product since this website gives you 30% commission rate for each successful commission. How great is that? So even if you don't create any videos, create any websites, or have any expertise, you will still be able to make commissions through this website since this is how the method that we are currently discussing works. Now, before we go into detail about how we're going to do it, let me first tell you the steps you need to go through. It is very simple. All you have to do is follow 3 steps. Step 1, sign up for the affiliate program and receive your unique referral link. I'll show you how in a bit. And don't be concerned because this method is completely free and you don't need to have any money to take part in this affiliate program. After receiving your referral link, the next step is promote it on social media and other places where a large number of individuals who are interested in this product are likely to be found. However, we will not be using any social media platforms. We will be using another site, which I will share with you later on because you do not require any social media followers or any other type of following. The last step is after you have done sharing your link to others, you will then be rewarded and be paid for promoting Proof. That's 3 easy steps that you should keep in mind for our method today. All it takes is a few clicks on the button to start earning money. I realize it's difficult to believe, but this is completely legitimate. And as long as you follow the 3 simple steps that I've just mentioned, it will literally generate income for you. So, as I previously stated, you will receive 30% commission, and at the end of each month, your rewards are computed and are available for cash out by PayPal or any various payment alternatives that are offered on the website. In the next part of the video, I will explain each step that I mentioned in detail so that you will have a better understanding of what to do and how to do it, so stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now let's do the first step. We go back to the homepage of the website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the partners option, which should be at the right side, then click it. It will redirect you to this page, and I want you to click on the Join Now button right here. And once you do that, you will be led to this page where you will need to fill up the registration form. You only need to fill in your first and last name and email. On this part of the form, just select Affiliate Marketer and just answer the remaining questions. Then click on the Next button and you are good to go. You are now an affiliate of proof. You can now share your unique referral link to other people in order for you to earn. Now for the second step, we go to google.com and look for the websites that are advertising or selling online courses, weight loss courses, cooking courses, or whatever courses come to mind. In this video, we will be focusing on online cooking courses. So just search for online cooking courses on Google and look for not so popular online cooking courses. I recommend going to page 3 of the search results since pages 1 and 2 are where the popular and well-known courses appear. So be sure to concentrate your efforts on the pages 3 and up, because these are the sites that are in desperate need of the product that we're marketing. For example, we go to this site right here. If you've decided that this website needs help in promoting their course, just scroll down their website and look for any contact information. It can be an email or you can just message them directly via Facebook. The choice is yours. Once you have found their contact information, you can then compose an email saying that their website needs more exposure and you can help them with that. Then you can start explaining the proof product that you will be promoting, and at the end of the email, you can put your affiliate link there. The affiliate link will then redirect them to the proof website where they can avail of the product and grow their business. They can get a free trial of the product, and once they've tried it already, I assure you that they will like it and they will purchase the product. For as long as they continue to use the program and continue to pay the monthly subscription fee, you will get a 30% recurring commission on their purchases. The majority of small businesses that haven't heard about this will take advantage of it because it provides a significant boost for them. Now, that is a very simple and easy way to earn money online. What are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.